Good morning, my dear students. So today in the English class, I will be discussing part 10 of reported speech, and I have come today with multiple choice questions which will help you in your examination. So my dear students, let's move on to the multiple choice question. In the multiple choice questions, 25 questions are there. You have to change the direct speeches into indirect speech. Direct speech should be changed in indirect speech. Okay? So how to change it? You have well been taught by me. So I'll read out the first question. Nancy said, I may leave tomorrow. The options are, Nancy said that she might leave the next day. Nancy said that she might leave tomorrow. Nancy asked if she should leave the next day. Nancy informed me to leave tomorrow. Yes, Ayub. Is he right?
Yes, sir.
He is absolutely right. So what is being done over here? This Nancy said this thing has come over here. That has come over here. Okay, as conjunction, as a linking word, that has come over here. I has been changed to she, may has been changed to might, tomorrow has been changed to next day. As I have told you how changes are made, so this type of changes has been done. Okay, is it clear? So come to the second question. Kesav said, Rita is busy right now. The options are, Kesav said Rita was busy. Kesav informed that Rita was busy then. Kesav said Rita had been busy. Kesav informed that Rita is busy. You will be getting 1.5 minutes for one question. Okay. In your examination, you will be getting 1.5 minutes for one question. Okay, so you have to read the question and then you have to think about it. Okay, yes, you come. Is he correct?
Yes.
He is absolutely correct. Okay, very good. So all the options are wrong. This option is right because she said, instead of said, informed has come. If you write said also, no problem. Okay, informed has come over here. That a conjunction has taken place and is has been changed to was. You can see here. Okay, and now has been changed to then. I have taught you. Now should be changed to then. So all the changes have been made in option number B. Okay, all the necessary changes. And option number B is absolutely correct. Kesav informed that Rita was busy then. I will move on to the next slide. Question number 3. The teacher said, you are suspended. टीचर ने कहा यू आर सस्पेंडेड. ओके, द ऑप्शंस आर, द टीचर एक्सप्लेन दैट आई एम सस्पेंडेड. ऐसा तो नहीं बोलेगा टीचर. द टीचर एक्सप्लेन टू मी टू सस्पेंड. द टीचर इन्फॉर्म मी दैट आई वॉज सस्पेंडेड. द टीचर एक्सप्लेन दैट आई वॉज सस्पेंडेड. द टीचर सेड मतलब किसको बोला? मुझे बोला है, समझ लेना होगा. ठीक है, अब आ जाओ, यू कम. Sonu, pick the correct answer, then I will explain it. Is it right?
Yes.
Is it right? How many of you say it is right? How many of say it is wrong? Okay, who will come to give the correct answer? Who will come? Come, one of you. Nobody? Nobody? No? Yes. Come. This is absolutely wrong. Okay, he is right. The teacher informed me that I was suspended. Is more correct. It looks more correct, more clear. Clarity is there. Okay. Instead of said, reporting for informed has come. Okay. Whom did the teacher inform? Me. Okay. Me has come over here. Object has come over here. That a connector has come over here. U is changed to I. Okay. R is changed to was. Rest everything is same. Clear? I will move on to the next question. You see here, he said, I have been a great mentor. The options are, he said that he had been a great mentor. He said that he was a great mentor. He exclaimed that he was a great mentor. He said that he has been a great mentor. So according to the rules I have taught you, okay, this is basically what tense? What tense? Present perfect tense. This is a present perfect tense. So the present perfect tense should be changed to past perfect. You know the rule?
Yes, sir.
So now you will come. After that you. I have given you the hint. Yes. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
So option number A is absolutely correct. Option number A is absolutely correct. He said that he had been a great mentor. Okay, how? He said, you see, said this verb has come over here, that conjunction has taken place, I is changed to he, have been has been changed to had been, means have has been changed to had, and been is there, rest everything is same. Okay, so present perfect should be changed to past perfect. You can see the example of a past perfect over here in indirect speech. Okay, I will move on to the next slide. Vidushi said, we went for a summer trip. The options are, Vidushi said that they went for a summer trip. Vidushi said that they were on a summer trip. Vidushi said that they had gone for a summer trip. Vidushi said that they went for a summer trip. Okay. Yes, you come. Yes. Tell me. He is correct?
Yes, sir.
He is absolutely correct because we know the rules. Here, this is the direct speech is given in what tense? Past tense. We went for, went is past tense, and the past tense should be changed to past perfect. The past tenses should be changed to past perfect. Okay, I had taught you. Do you remember? So Vidushi said that they had gone for a summer trip is absolutely right. So that connector had come over here. Okay, and went had been changed to had gone. Okay, rest everything is same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Come to question number 6. Rahul said, I will manage hereafter. Okay. So future tense is given over here. Simple future. Okay. So you see how simple future changes. Rahul said that he would manage hereafter. Rahul said that he will manage thereafter. Rahul said that he would manage thereafter. Rahul said that he will manage hereafter. So you very well know the changes. So you come. Give the correct answer. Do you all agree with him? Yes, Rahul said that he would manage thereafter is absolutely correct. Because that connector has come over here, will has been changed to would, okay, and hereafter has been changed to thereafter. You know, here should be changed to there, that's why here is changed to there, and the whole word has become thereafter. So, he is absolutely correct. We'll move on to the next slide. You see here, I am going out tonight. Tonight means night. In that night, particular night, they are talking about particular night. Remember, Manisha said, I am going out tonight, Manisha said. Or Manisha said, I am going out tonight. The same thing, okay? The options are, Manisha said that she was going out tonight. Manisha said that she was going out that night. Manisha said that she was going out that night. Manisha said that she will be going out that night. Okay, the four options. Yes, Arpit, you come. Give the correct answer. Manisha said that she was going out that night. Is it correct? No. Tell me. How many of you say it is correct? Raise your hand. So what is the right answer? B. D. Come and give the right answer. You come. Yes, you. So how many do you all agree with this answer? So why didn't you say before? Why didn't you say this before? You are having doubt. See. So the answer is absolutely right. Okay. I is changed to she. I is changed to she. Am is changed to was. Okay. Tonight is changed to that night. Okay. Rest everything is same. So changes are made correctly in this. That's why this answer is absolutely right. Option B is absolutely right. Now come to next. Question number 8. The guard asked, who are you? The guard asked who he was. The guard asked me who he was. The guard asked me who he was. The guard asked me who I was. Okay. Yes, you come. Yes. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Option D is absolutely correct. Okay. See, the guard asked who I was. Asked me only, na?
Yes, sir.
The guard asked me. So you will change to I, R will change to was. Okay. The guard asked who I was. If you write the guard asked me who I was, that is also correct. Okay. Asked me अगर रहता तो वो भी correct होता. Next. Wait. Ravi said, the concert ended yesterday. The options are, Ravi said that the concert had ended yesterday. Ravi said that the concert ended the day before. Ravi said that the concert had ended the previous day. Ravi said that the concert ended already. Yes, you come. Take the correct answer. I have got it. Do you all agree with him? He is absolutely right. Ravi said that the concert had ended the previous day. Ended का जगह ended क्या है? Past tense में है. उसके जगह had ended आ गया है. ठीक है? और that एक conjunction यहाँ आ गया है. Linking word आ गया है. Conjunction over here. और yesterday का जगह the previous day आया है. या the day before भी रख सकता है. द प्रीवियस डे या द डे बिफोर, दोनों लग सकता है, दोनों में कोई एक। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, शी सेड ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर प्लीज। ऑप्शन ए, she commands me to bring a glass of water, she requested me to bring a glass of water, she asked me to brought a glass of water, she ordered me to bring her a glass of water। देखो कमांड है, रिक्वेस्ट है, ऑर्डर है, ये क्लियर पता चल जाएगा, ये ऐसे हुक्म। प्लीज, do you all agree with him? Yes, he is absolutely right. Actually, please, यहाँ प्लीज लिखा हुआ है तो ये रिक्वेस्ट हो जाएगा, कमांड नहीं हो सकता है। किसी को अगर अच्छा से बोलते हैं कि प्लीज मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ तो वो रिक्वेस्ट हो गया, वो आदेश नहीं हुआ। ठीक है, तो ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। सी रिक्वेस्टेड मी, हाँ टू लगेगा इसमें। ठीक है, इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस है, इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ टू लगेगा, टू ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, प्लीज हट जाएगा। ठीक है, प्लीज की जगह रिक्वेस्टेड आ गया है। क्लियर? Question 11, he said, let us have dinner here. The options are, he proposed that we had dinner there, he asked if we wished to have dinner there, he said that we should have dinner there, he said that we had dinner there. Okay? Come. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
He proposed that we had dinner there. Let us की बात है, तो जहां us आएगा तो वहां we आएगा। यहाँ कंफ्यूजन होता है ना, तो ज्यादातर तुम ये कंफ्यूज करते होगे कहीं दे आए, तो us की जगह we आ जाएगा। यहाँ that कनेक्टर आ जाएगा, said की जगह proposed आ गया। ठीक है, और had की जगह have की जगह had हो गया, और here की जगह there हो गया। ये सब चेंजेस करना पड़ता है। चेंज इन प्लेस हुआ है, चेंज इन टेंस हुआ है। ठीक है, चेंज इन वर्ब हुआ है, वर्ब सेड प्रोपोज में बदल गया। क्लियर? आई विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज, द सेल्समैन सेड, बिक्री करने वाला व्यक्ति, विक्रेता, सेल्समैन को विक्रेता बोलते हैं। आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन द स्कीम? कोई स्कीम दिखाया है, पूछ रहा कि तो आपका कोई इंटरेस्ट है? The options are, the salesman said that if I was interested in the scheme, the salesman said that if I were interested in the scheme, the salesman asked if I am interested in the scheme, the salesman asked me if I was interested in the scheme. Okay, next, कौन है उसके बाद? Yes, come. Do you all agree? No. Yes, you come. अब बोलो क्यों सही है वो भी बताना होगा। बोलो।
बताएं यहाँ पे the salesman said, are you interested in the scheme? तो यहाँ पर होगा तो सही रहेगा, सेलमैन तो बोल रहा सेल रहेगा, आई की जगह दे आ जाएगा, यू की जगह आई आ जाएगा। अब वे इंटरेस्टेड इन द स्कीम,
यू की जगह
if I were interested in the scheme,
आई वेयर,
yes sir,
ये बोल रहे सही है, बिल्कुल गलत है। हाँ, ये प्लूरल है, आई सिंगुलर है कि प्लूरल है?
I was interested in the scheme, ये होगा,
ये
yes sir।
एक मिनट, ओके गो। The salesman said that if I was interested in the scheme, और यहाँ है the salesman asked me if I was interested in the scheme, तो ज्यादा बेहतर कौन लग रहा है? ज्यादा भी तो पूछने वाली बात है, तो अगर ऑप्शन दिया गया आस्क्ड तो आस्क्ड ज्यादा सही होगा। सो डी इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। ये मैं देखना चाहता था क्या तुम कोशिश किए, बहुत अच्छी बात है, दोनों लग रहा था जैसे सही है, ठीक है। ऐसे ये भी लग रहा है सही है, लेकिन यहां आज पूछ रहा है, कोई चीज पूछने वाली बात को आस्ट लगाना होगा। द सेल्समैन आस्क्ड मी, ओके, इफ आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस, मतलब सेल्समैन मुझे ही बोल रहा है ना, तो आस्ट वाला बात है और ज्यादा क्लियर कर दिया मैं, तो ये ऑप्शन नंबर डी करेक्ट है। ओके, इस तरह के कंफ्यूजन आएंगे, घबराना नहीं है, इस तरह के कंफ्यूजन आएंगे, घबराना नहीं है, थोड़ा सा सोचना है कौन ज्यादा बेहतर है। अगर ये नहीं रहता तो वो सही हो जाता, ठीक है। कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। शी सेड शट द डोर, शी सेड शट द डोर, शी आस्क्ड मी वेदर आई वुड शट द डोर, शी ऑर्डर्ड मी टू शट द डोर, शी सेड दैट आई शुड शट द डोर, शी shouted and said to shut the door. Yes, next come. This is also very simple. एक नजर में पता चल गया होगा क्या है आंसर। Do you all agree with him? He is absolutely right. She ordered me, said का जगह आ गया ordered. Okay. She ordered me to shut the door. यहाँ to लगता है, ठीक है, ये आदेश है, imperative sentences में to लगता है, ठीक है। She ordered me to shut the door. Now next question. She said they will be leaving soon. The options are: she said that they would leave soon, she said that they are leaving soon, she said that they would be leaving soon, she said that they will leave soon. This is also simple. Next. ये सारी चीज मैं तुम लोगों को कराया हूं, ओके। While teaching you, I have finished. She said that they would be leaving soon. Do you all agree with him?
Yes, sir.
He is absolutely right. यहाँ that connector आ गया, दे का दे आ गया, will का would हो जाएगा, will be का would भी हो जाएगा, बाकी सब वैसे ही रहेगा। She said that they would be leaving soon is absolutely correct. Okay. Now move on to the next slide. Question 15. Alas, it can't be this bad, he said. इतना बुरा नहीं हो सकता मेरा साथ, वो बोला, ठीक है। The options are: he exclaimed with sorrow that couldn't be that bad. He grieved that it couldn't be that bad. He said that it was really that bad. He said with sorrow that was bad. चलो आ जाओ बेटा, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है। कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर सकता है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है। यस, टेल मी, डू यू ऑल एग्री? ही इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट। थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रहा था, ग्रीव्ड भी लगता, कि ग्रीफ जब दुख होता है तो आदमी, पीपल आर ग्रीव्ड, तो ऐसा लगता है कि ग्रीव्ड भी हो सकता है, बट एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सॉरो दिया हुआ है। ही एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सॉरो, ठीक है, सेड का जगह आ गया एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सॉरो, एक्सक्लेम्ड आ गया, और एलास की जगह आ गया विद सॉरो। क्लियर? सो ही एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सॉरो दैट, दो बार दैट लगा, दैट दो बार दैट लगा, एक तो कनेक्टर लगा, और इट के जगह एक तो दैट लगा है, इट के जगह एक दैट लगा है, दैट कुडंट बी दैट बैड। हाँ, दिस बैड के जगह एक दैट लगा है। क्लियर? थोड़ा कंफ्यूज कर रहा है, तीन दैट लगा है, तीन दैट लगा है, इसीलिए तुम लोगों को कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है, लेकिन लगाना होगा तभी जाके ये क्वेश्चन, ये आंसर करेक्ट होगा। क्लियर? क्वेश्चन 16, यू सी, You see, alas, it can't. ये तो हो गया, इसके बाद मूव करते हैं. सॉरी, ये मक्खी डिस्टर्ब कर दिया. Come and remove this. You see, question number 16. The teacher said, the wind is a renewable energy source. Okay. The teacher said that the wind was a renewable energy source. The teacher said that the wind is a renewable energy source. The teacher told that the wind is a renewable energy source. The teacher tells that the wind was a renewable energy source. Yes, next come. Wait, 1 minute. Do you all agree with her? Do you all agree with her? The teacher said that the wind was a renewable energy source. The teacher said that the wind is a renewable. This is absolutely wrong. The teacher told that the wind is a renewable energy source. The teacher said, the teacher tells that, the teacher told that the wind is a renewable energy source. Yes. क्यों? क्योंकि ऐसा ही होता है, renewable energy. इसीलिए it is always the same. So C is absolutely right. Okay? C correct होगा. Clear? क्योंकि ए फैक्ट है, दिस इज ए फैक्ट, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है. ठीक है, ये ट्रूथ है, इसीलिए इज होगा. Come to question number 17. The secretary said, is Mr. Fisher in his office? The options are, the secretary said that if Mr. Fisher was in his office. The secretary inquired if Mr. Fisher was in his office. The secretary inquired that if Mr. Fisher was in his office. The secretary asked if Mr. Fisher had been in office. Yes, next. Come please. ठीक से पढ़ लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यू कैन टेक टाइम. Do you all agree? Arpit, come. Do you all agree with Arpit? Yes. You must see here. यहाँ said, यहाँ पूछने वाली बात है. Inquire, पता लगा रहा है, पता लगाने वाली बात है. हाँ, हम जाएंगे कहीं, कोई आएगा, कोई गार्जियन मिलने पूछेगा ना, हाँ कि प्रिंसिपल सर है क्या? Is प्रिंसिपल सर इन हिज ऑफिस? तो क्या पूछने वाली बात है, पता करने वाली बात है, पता करेगा पहले, तब जाएगा. ठीक है, नहीं तो वहीं से चले जाएगा गेट से ही. सो द सेक्रेटरी इंक्वायर्ड, सेड का जगह इंक्वायर्ड आ गया है. इफ यहां लगता है, ठीक है, यहां इफ लगता है, रूल है. मिस्टर फिशर इज के जगह वाज आ गया. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट होता है तो बताया है ना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पुलिसमैन सेड डोंट क्रॉस द स्पीड लिमिट. The options are, the policeman said not to cross the speed limit. The policeman asked if I would cross the speed limit. The policeman forbade me to cross the speed limit. The policeman asked if I had crossed the speed limit. Yes, next. Simple है भी. Hey, I have taught you about everything. Please come. घबराना नहीं है, गलत होगा तो कोई बात नहीं है, गलती से ही सीखेगी ना. Do you all agree? So this is absolutely wrong. Yes, last. Come. I can give the answer, but I want you to give the answer. Yes, C is the right answer. I have told you, वार्निंग वाली बात है, जहां मना करने वाली बात है, वार्निंग वाली बात है, वहां फॉरवर्ड लगता है. ठीक है, तो सेट का जगह फॉरवर्ड आ गया है. तो पुलिसमैन फॉरवर्ड में मुझसे कह रहा है, फॉरवर्ड में टू क्रॉस द, नॉट टू क्रॉस नहीं होगा, टू क्रॉस द स्पीड लिमिट. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Richard said, question 19, Richard said, I must attend the meeting. The options are, Richard said that he had to attend the meeting. Richard said that it was must that he attend the meeting. Richard said, if he must attend the meeting. Richard said that he would attend the meeting. Okay, it's very simple. Must का पता है हमें क्या करना है. Next. Is he correct? No. This is absolutely wrong. Yes, Sonu Kumar. Please hold your tongue. Yes. Do you think he is right?
Yes.
He is wrong. कैसे रॉन्ग होगा? सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी. सी मस्ट का चेंजेस हम बोले थे ना, मस्ट का, ये तो बाकी सब गलत है. मस्ट का चेंज मैं बोला था ना, हैड टू में बदल जाएगा. सॉरी, मस्ट हैड टू में बदल जाएगा. तुमने मुझे भी कंफ्यूज कर दिया. लेकिन रिचर्ड सेड दैट ही हैड टू अटेंड द मीटिंग. ठीक है, मस्ट का हैड टू लगता है, मैंने बताया था मस्ट का हैड टू लगता है चेंजेस में. सो दैट a conjunction had come over here, must had been changed to had to. Okay, बाकी सब वैसे ही है. क्लियर? अब कोई डाउट नहीं रहना चाहिए मस्ट के बारे में. Question number 20, you see, she said, what a beautiful view. She said, what a beautiful view. See, options are, she said that the view was beautiful. She exclaimed that the view is beautiful. She exclaimed with joy and said that the view was beautiful. She exclaimed that the view was beautiful. Next, come. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
She exclaimed with joy and said that the view was beautiful. Do you all think? ओके, सी एक्सलेम्ड विद जॉय, क्योंकि व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल व्यू का बात है तो एक्सलेम्ड विद जॉय होगा. एंड सेड दैट द व्यू वाज ब्यूटीफुल. और अगर इसको ऐसा भी लिख दिया जाए, सी एक्सलेम्ड विद जॉय दैट द व्यू वाज ब्यूटीफुल, वो भी करेक्ट है. अगर खाली लिखा जाए सी एक्सलेम्ड विद जॉय दैट द व्यू वाज ब्यूटीफुल, दैट इज आल्सो एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. सो वी हैव कम टू द, लेकिन ये भी सही जैसा लग रहा है, एक्सप्लेन दैट द व्यू वाज ब्यूटीफुल. ठीक है, तो यहां पर सेड वाली बात तो हमने पहले बताया नहीं है. सेड वाली बात बताए हैं, तो सेड थोड़ा सा, सेड लगाना थोड़ा सा उचित नहीं लग रहा है. सी एक्सप्लेन विद जॉय दैट द व्यू वाज ब्यूटीफुल, तो इसको डी को लिया जाए, डी ज्यादा करेक्ट होगा. सी एक्सप्लेन दैट द व्यू वाज ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, ऐसा लग रहा है ये भी, लेकिन ये नहीं है क्योंकि सेट लग गया है. वो है, लेकिन तर्क वाली बात है. ठीक है, इसमें अगर विद जॉय लगा देते हैं तो क्लियर दिख रहा है, तो विदाउट जॉय भी लिखा जा सकता है, विदाउट जॉय भी लिखा जा सकता है. ठीक है, इसलिए इसी को मान लेना होगा सही. ओके, टुडे वी हैव टू कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, so thank you so much.